Whoa, this guy is pulling in at least $20,000 per month as a musician. Let's get into it. So this guy who calls himself Music for Video Library, exclusive music for viral content. This didn't happen overnight, okay? This guy has been doing this for years, and he has built himself up a following. And for $5 a month, you get access to stock music. And he has 5,211 members. And if you do the math, if everybody has the beginner level, which I know they don't, and even if you take away the Patreon cut of the thing, this guy is easily clearing $20,000 a month. I think. I can't confirm that. But there's other levels, which I'm sure there's people out there that we call whales getting the mega bundle, right? There's at least one person probably. And I will link to this so you guys understand what's going on. The idea is that you as a patron, whatever, you as a customer for $5 a month, you get access to some pretty decent music libraries, and the guarantee is that every month 4 different kinds are released. So approximately once every week. So this guy's making one, we'll call it a song, one song a week, a few different variations of that track, and he's making $20,000. So 4 songs a month, 4 compositions a month. Again, though, this takes a while to build up, and his biggest marketing has been done through YouTube. If you go through these posts, they're actually YouTube videos, and people that are looking for royalty-free music, they find these videos and they're like, "Wow, that music sounds pretty good." And the next thing you know, they're paying at least $5 a month, and good times are had. So yeah, it is very possible to clear $250,000 per year as a musician, as an independent musician. But you have to work up to it. You have to put the work in. This is not a game. I'm not going to call it a job, but it's an income. And if you love to make music, this is one route you could go down. So check it out. Link below. You can thank me later and donate to me later if this is successful for you too.